Hello guys, so here you can see uh, that I'm getting this error. Select statement included within a function cannot return data to a client. So to remove this error basically here it is coming inside the um, table valued user defined functions, or we can say table valued functions in the SQL server, Microsoft SQL server. And to resolve this error we just need to do one thing here. Okay, so always keep in mind, once I put here when we put here the select keyword, then I must need to uh, insert the value of this selected data into a table in which I want to return the complete data. So what I will do here, I will type here insert into this return table name what I want to return from the function. So that is all what you need to add. Okay, and then you will be able to uh, select sorry execute the table. So let me here click on execute, and you can see now I'm able to run the query. So this is just a few things which you need to keep in mind, that always whenever you are going to create a user defined table, then you must need to write this insert statement before selecting the data from the table. Okay, so now let me go ahead and run this or call this function. So what I will do, just let me copy the function name, and here I need to pass the employee ID. So I will do here select star from function name, and here I must need to pass a parameter. So let me first run it without any parameter. So you can see no parameter is applied. So what I need to pass here, employee ID. So let me suppose I'm passing here employee ID is 1, and here you can see I am able to get the data from the table or from the database, and this is only related to the user ID 1. Okay, so suppose I am putting here 10, then if user ID 10 will be available in the database, then we can see. So you can see we are getting employee ID 10 data here. So this is all what we need to take care to resolve this error, that we just need to add here insert into the table name, and that table name is that what I want to return from the function. So thank you guys, that's all in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.